Welcome to TWINN number 38. This week in Nerd News, and I have 5 cybersecurity pieces to share with you today. First and foremost, you need to update Chrome if you haven't already, although it might just be as good a time to use Brave instead as an alternate browser for better privacy, better security, while maintaining compatibility with the broader web. The latest Brave is also version 93.0.4577.82, and it is currently the most secure version. Apple also has iOS updates available, both in the version 14 that patched the weakness known as forced entry that allowed zero-click infection on an iPhone by the NSO group with their spy software called Pegasus. But also, since iOS 15 launched today, it has additional iMessage defenses, in addition to that patched forced entry problem. This should definitely be the highest priority for anyone on an iOS device. Upgrade. Although you might be caught off guard by the mobile Safari changes because the browser URL bar has been moved to the bottom of the screen, but there's ways to undo that new default. And I was hoping for a ransomware-free news week, but this isn't the week. TTEC is a 60,000 employee company that supplies customer support services to the likes of banks and retailers and mobile phone companies. And while ransomware incidents continue to hit small and large businesses alike, the effect on us as consumers just continues to broaden. In this next story about Gaggle, a spy tech software company, I find it's more of a story around parenting or lack thereof than anything. Parental digital supervision is more important today than ever because leaving that to third parties is ineffective and it invades our homes and our privacy. Now, OMI, Open Management Infrastructure. Let me just read this paragraph here. Users of Azure who are running Linux virtual machines may not be aware they have a severely vulnerable piece of management software installed on their machine by Microsoft that can be remotely exploited in an incredibly surprising and equally stupid way. If you're running Linux on Azure, you need to take action today. And did you know that you can now FaceTime with Android users, even from an iPhone to an Android? So once you upgrade to iOS 15, you can create a link in the iOS 15 FaceTime app that works outside of iPhone as well. Enjoy, and see you next week.